Guys, today we are going to install Python on your computer, then we're going to install in Sublime Text, and then finally I'm going to show you how to test whether or not the installation was successful. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your web browser. You might have Safari or you might have Google Chrome like I do. I'm just going to open up a new window. And we are going to use the Python from the Anaconda package. The Anaconda package is a collection of libraries and modules that are already pre-packaged into a very neat form of Python. So we're just going to Google for Anaconda. Anaconda. Let's try the first link. Download for OSX. In TechDay, we use Python 2 version 2. They continuously update version 3, but we stick to version 2. So we are just going to click that. And you can ignore that, doesn't matter. And I'm just waiting for this guy to download. In the meantime, we can check whether or not we can install Sublime. So I'm just going to open up a new tab here, search for Sublime. Cool. First link, same thing. Now normally you have to pay for this. You can still pay for this, but you really don't have to. It makes no difference. I'm just going to click that link. I just skipped ahead in the video a little bit. You'll see that Sublime installed successfully, and the Anaconda package asked me this question, and we were just going to keep it because we know it's good, and they both downloaded successfully. The Anaconda package took a few minutes, but that's no problem. I'm going to minimize that. And let's start out with the Anaconda package. All right. Continue, 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 agree. You're going to choose the destination. Oh. So I chose a specific disk, and I'm just going to choose that one. Cool. And you're just going to hit install there, and that's all it takes. I already have Anaconda installed in my computer, so I'm just not going to click this button, but normally you just hit that and maybe another continue button, but that's all it takes. So I'm just going to get out of this guy, and I'm going to do the same thing with Sublime. All right. So again, same thing here. Normally you just drag this into there, and that's all it takes. But again, I already have that installed, so I don't need to do that. Now that's all it takes. So to open up Sublime, you would go to Finder. I'll open up a new window. Applications, and then you look for Sublime right there. Double click. I already have things open, no problem. And you can just double click the top there to get a new tab going. And let's print hello world standard. I'm going to save it. I'll save it to my desktop as hello world.py. Save it. Cool. All right. And you'll see right here, it's saved. There it is. So how do we test if Python was installed successfully? I'm just going to click this guy up here, Spotlight, and we are going to search for the terminal. Okay. Again, I already have it open, but what would normally pop up is that you'll see this guy right here. This guy will start jumping up, and basically all you're going to do, once this guy pops up, let's go new window. For both of these things, maybe you want to right click and hit keep in dock. I obviously did that already. You might want to do that. So after a terminal has opened, using the spotlight search for terminal and just click enter there. After you did that, all you want to do is hit CD space desktop. And capitalization is very important here. Alright, so now I'm in my desktop directory, and all I'm going to do is hit Python and then helloworld.py. If you called this guy something differently, then you're just going to insert that into here. But I named it hello world, one word, lowercase, so I'm just going to use that. I'm going to hit enter, and there we go. That's exactly what I typed into Sublime text, right? And that's all it takes. So I hope you enjoyed this.